So Johan and I are here in Thailand. For breakfast at our hostel, they have these, what are these? They're fruits. Malay apple, I believe they're called. Have you ever had this?
No, not at all.
Me either, so we're gonna
Never
try
seen
it
them
together.
before. Sort of tasteless, but like not like sour like an
Yeah.
apple.
It's a light, very light apple.
Mm.
We are heading to the floating markets. I imagine that there are markets that float either in the air or on water. We'll see when we get there. This is not easy to walk. I'm like way too tall for this. Get low. What is it?
Chicken skin.
That's good.
Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you. Lucia, how's your pad thai?
Really good.
It looks delicious. Can't even talk. So, how's your really spicy pad thai?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, you're not sweating or anything. No.
But that's because of the heat.
Yeah. So Mia, you have to explain why we are -3 people under your watch, under your tutelage.
Because, well, we lost them.
How many people?
I don't think that's a good reason. All the people back there, everybody's having a good time on the Canal boat tour here in Bangkok, Thailand.
We also do this as well. This is a fortune teller. There will be a number on each card, and we will check this like this.
Wow, that was not good fortune at all. I threw that away. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Fluent in Thai.
The real name of Bangkok. Like
Is go for it.
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทรายุทธยามหาดีลกภพนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถาน อมรพิมานอวตารสถิตอะไรต่อนะพี่พิมพ์สักกายะทา something I forgot two long words
That was just half of the official name.
We're on the elevator going up to, trying to go up.
There we go. I like it. Somebody's interacting.